Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Rog here. Today I'm going to cook a chicken. I'm going to roast a chicken. I'll show you how to do it. I know you're all going to say, yeah, we've done that one before, but have you done it like this? It's going to be succulent, it's going to be tasty, it's going to be flavoursome. Hang on, flavoursome and tasty is the same thing. Anyway, stay tuned, I'll show you how to do it. So we start with this lovely free range chicken. Look at that, we want to put some oil over the top. Any oil will do, but not engine oil. Give this a rub in. Now the idea of this is to make the seasoning stick all over the skin of the chicken. Then on we go with the seasoning. It's the usual seasoning. We've got some ground sea salt or kosher salt, whatever you want to call it. Give that a good sprinkling over. Then we go on with some freshly ground black pepper. Now we've got to flip the bird over, do the other side too. Plenty of seasoning. There we go, salt and pepper, lovely. Then when this is done, flip it back over again, and then we're going to add some paprika. There it is, look. We're going to sprinkle it out of this little sprinkler. Now the idea of this is to give the bird some colour. We like it to look nice and brown. I don't think you really get a lot of flavour out of the paprika. Some people might disagree. A little bit more just there. Look, it looks like it's already cooked, but it's not. Now we're going to go in with the vegetables. Now we've got some onion, we've got carrots, and we've got swede. We're going to lay the chicken on top of this. There we go, looks great. Then on with the lid, and off we go to the cooker. And this is what we end up with. Doesn't that look fantastic? Look at the colour. It has changed. We'll cut a little slice in here just to show you just how well it's done. It's moist, it's succulent, cooked right the way through. Look at that. What a feast. And then we plate up spinach, swede, carrots and roasted potatoes. And also we're going to have a little jug there with some chicken gravy in. And on the side we'll go with some red sauce. Yeah, a little special treat just to finish it off. And here we go with some lovely shots. Looks so delicious, doesn't it? I think I'm going to be getting tucked into this. So there we are, the finished product. Let's give it a taste test. Now, first thing that comes to mind is tasty. Second thing, succulent. Very nice. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please try this for yourself. Quite easy. Makes a lovely Sunday dinner, Saturday dinner, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday dinner. And thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.